Sabi daw doon, dapat daw natin irespeto yung pangalan ni God. Dapat daw seryosohin natin at huwag daw natin basta-basta gagamitin. Okay? So, ano yung number 3 ulit? Na-memorize niyo pa ba? So, be careful how you use my name. Okay, so, okay, number 1 ulit. Para din natin makalimutan. Number 1. Ano yung number 1 natin? You should not have any other gods except me. Number 2. Do not make any idols. Number 3. Be careful how you use my name. Okay? So, tandaan yun. Next naman tayo sa 4th commandment.
That is, remember the Sabbath day.
Okay, so basahin natin yung 4th commandment. 1, 2, 3, go! Remember the Sabbath day. So, ibig sabihin daw nito, alalakanin at i-practice natin yung Sabbath day. So, anong araw ngayon? Anong araw na yan? Okay. So, ngayon, dapat anong i-offer natin yung time natin kay God. Kaya, ibig sabihin nito, dapat alalakanin natin, huwag natin kakalimutan na pumunta na. Saan tayo pupunta? Kapag Sunday. Saan kayo ngayon? Sa church. Okay?
God wanted the Israelites to take one day each week and give that day to Him as a reminder that everything they had was from God.
Okay, so narinig niyo yun? Dapat daw, i-offer daw natin yung isang araw, which is yung Sabbath day, kay kanina. Kay God, okay?
Is that what we go to church?
It is. Having a special day of the week to rest and honor God is important for us, too. Let's look at the next one.
Okay, so naalala niyo pa ba yung 4th commandment? Ano yung 4th? Remember the Sabbath day, okay? So next commandment tayo.
Honor your father and mother.
Okay, so basahin natin yung 5th commandment. 1, 2, 3, go! Honor your father and mother. Okay, so madalas natin itong narinig kapag Mother's Day, Father's Day, dapat daw i-respeto at igalang natin yung ating mga magulang. Okay, very good.
I think I know what that means. It means to respect mom and dad.
Right. It means to listen to them and respect them. This makes God happy. Numbers.
Okay, so naiintindihan niyo ba yun? Ano yung number 5 natin? Honor your father and mother. Okay, so nakalahati na natin yung 10 commandments. So, balikan natin number 1. Ano yung number 1? You should not have any other gods except me. Number 2. Do not make any idols. Okay, number 3. Ano yung number 3? Be careful how you use my name. Very good. Number 4. Remember the Sabbath day. Okay, number 5. Honor your father and mother. Okay, so very good. So, proceed na tayo sa number 6, okay? So, very good yung mga nagre-recite. So, lahat tayo dapat mag-recite din kasi memorize natin yung 10 commandments. Okay?
6. Do not murder anyone.
Okay, so, basahin natin ulit yung 6 commandments. 1, 2, 3, go! Do not murder anyone. So, ibig sabihin nito, wag daw tayo papatay. So, wag daw tayo papatay ng tao. Okay, so behave na sila ng mga students para hindi makadisturb sa classmates natin.
There was a lot of murder in the ancient world.
Oh, that's bad.
Very bad. God didn't want murder in His nation. Number 7.
Noong panahon daw, pati hanggang ngayon din, marami daw pinapatay, which is very bad. So, wag daw natin gagawin yun. So, ano yung number 6 ulit? Do not murder anyone. So, wag daw tayo papatay. Okay? Okay, so, ano yung number 6 ulit? Kaya, murder anyone. Okay?
Do not be guilty of adultery.
Okay, so basahin natin number 7 commandment. 1, 2, 3, go! Do not be guilty of adultery. So, ibig sabihin daw, kung sa balang araw, kapag magkakaroon tayo ng mga asawa ganun, wag daw tayo mag-cheat, ganun daw.
Adultery is when you take someone else's wife or husband and act like they are your wife or husband. It's sort of like stealing, and it breaks up families.
Okay, so naintindihan yun daw, kapag sa mga husband and wife, sa mga kinasal na, dapat daw wag daw pupunin yung mga wife or mga husband. So naintindihan po ba?
That's bad too.
It is, and that's why this is so important to God. Speaking of stealing,
Okay, so ano yung number 7 ulit? Nakikinig pa po ba? So, handa na po ba kayo? Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, so ano ulit yung number 7 commandment natin? Naalala niyo pa ba? So, ano na yan? Do not be guilty of adultery. Okay, so kayo nga, ano yung number 7 commandment? Do not be guilty of adultery. Okay, so, ano ulit yung number 6 natin? Naalala niyo pa ba? Do not. Wag daw tayong papatay. So, ano yung number 6? Do not murder. Okay, so, proceed na tayo sa ano. Pang-ano na yung pang-ano natin? Pang-8. Okay?
commandment number 8.
Do not steal.
Okay, so,
Commandment number 8.
Do not steal.
okay, basahin natin yung 8 commandment. 1, 2, 3, go! Do not steal. Okay, so ano kayo ibig sabihin ng steal? May nakakaalam ba? Sino yung mga ano? Okay. So, ang ibig sabihin ng do not steal, wag daw tayong magnanakaw. So, kahit mga maliliit na bagay man yan, mga piso, mga ballpen, gano'n, wag daw tayo magnanakaw. Okay, so, dapat daw, kahit mga maliliit na bagay, dapat hindi natin nanakaw. Okay?
I know that's wrong.
It's never right to take something that doesn't belong to us.
What is commandment 9?
So, narinig niyo yun? Sabi daw, mali daw na nanakawin natin yung mga bagay na pinagmamayari ng ibang pinagmamayari ng mga ibang tao. Okay, so ano yung number 8 natin?
Do not steal.
Okay, so dito, ano yung number 8 natin ulit? Do not steal. Okay? Okay, so naalala niyo pa ba yung mga commandments natin? Okay, sorry ka muna tayo, baka nakalimutan niyo na. Yung number 1? Do not. You should not have any other gods except me. Number 2. Do not make any idols. Number 3. Be careful.
To use my
You use my name. Number 4. Lahat tayo para mag-memorize natin. Number 4, remember the Sabbath day. Number 5, honor your father and mother. Number 6, do not, huwag daw tayo papatay. So, do not murder. Number 7, do not, ano daw? Sa mga mag-asawa, gano'n. Do not be guilty of adultery. Number 8, ngayon lang. Do not steal. Very good. Sila palapakan natin mga sarili natin. So, mayroon pa may ilan pa yung natitira? May dalawa pa. So, kasi na tayo sa number 9.
Do not tell lies.
Okay, so yan. Basahin natin daw yung number 9 commandment. 1, 2, 3, go! Do not tell lies. So, ano kaya ibig sabihin nito? Ayan si, Ate Bianca. Kayo po. Mapalapakan natin si Ate Bianca. At isa na din sabi natin, Bianca, wag daw tayo makasinungalingan. Very good.
Well, that's very clear. God doesn't want us to lie to get ourselves out of trouble or to get other people into trouble by saying things that aren't true.
So, narinig niyo yun? So, sabi daw, huwag daw tayo magsasabi ng mga kasinungalingan. So, dapat natin sabihin palagi? Mga katotohanan lamang. So, kahit na mga maliliit na bagay para hindi tayo mapunta sa mga trouble, sa mga mapapahamak tayo, dapat daw sabihin natin yung totoo. So, kapag may nagawa tayong mali, magsisinungaling ba tayo? Hindi po. So, anong dapat natin gawin kapag nagkaroon tayo ng mali? Magsusorry. Ano pa? Sasabihin natin yung nagawa natin. Tapos, magsusorry tayo. So, ano yung number 9 natin? Do not tell lies. Okay, very good. So, ano pa yung natitira? So, last commandment na natin.
And the last one of the 10 Commandments is,
Do not covet.
one of the 10 Commandments is,
Do not covet.
Okay, so basahin natin yung last commandment, yung commandment. 1, 2, 3, go! Do not covet. Okay, so ano kaya ibig sabihin ng do not covet? Tignan natin.
What does that mean?
to covet means to want to take. If you covet someone's bike, it means that you want to take it from him. But God wants us to be happy with what we have.
Okay, so naiintindihan niyo ba yun? So, ang ibig sabihin daw ng covet, wag daw tayo maiingit. Kunwari, may mga laruan yung mga kapatid natin. Wag daw natin kukunin yun. Dapat, anong kailangan natin gawin sa mga meron tayo? Dapat tayo So, dapat maging kontento tayo sa mga meron tayo. So, lahat ng meron tayo is blessing of God. Okay? Naintindihan po ba? Okay.
Be happy with what you have.
Right. And those are the 10 Commandments that God carved in stone. Rules that show the Israelites who God is and what it looked like to live His way as His holy nation.
So were those all the rules that the Israelites needed?
Well, not quite. You see, as God's people grew, so did their problems. And it wasn't long before God had more to say about how to live His way.